Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can log someone out of your TikTok account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up TikTok app. Then right here tap at profile icon, then hit at menu icon and select settings and privacy. On settings tap at security and then select manage devices. That will show you all the devices you are currently logged in from that specific account. As you can see, at the very first position it shows iPhone 11, that is current device, and also there are some different devices where I logged from my TikTok. So in order to log out that devices from my TikTok profile, I can hit at this trash icon and then hit at remove. And in the same way you can continue doing it for each device that you want to log out. Also, if someone get access to your account and they know your password, I recommend you to go back to security or to settings, then hit at account, then tap at password, and then go through all of these steps and change your TikTok password. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my TikTok tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.